What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we'll discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities that we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 7:30, we have PCE. At 9 o'clock, we have the Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index and the Consumer Inflation Expectation. At 12 o'clock, we have some crude news. And at 2:30, we have some CFTC data. Now, it's never recommended to trade during a major news release, but if you choose to trade at this volatile time, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. And now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream. And before the bell, we had GDP being released. Let's look at that now. So at 7:30 Central Time, GDP released its numbers. And as you can see, it came in better than expectation. So what does this mean? Why did we initially get that massive move down? Well, this report suggests that even though we're in a high interest rate environment, the economy is still thriving, with the core PCE being 0.3% better than what was expected, which would strengthen the speculation that Fed Chair Jerome Powell won't be cutting rates anytime soon. And with that said, let's get back to the charts. So this is the reaction to the news release. But as the session started, as you can see, even though we had a bearish start, the bulls found support and they pushed price aggressively higher into the end of the session. Now, we had some big tech earnings being released after the bell, and to no one's surprise, this was the result. But what does this mean for tomorrow? We've had price push up aggressively in negative delta. Price has currently traded into a previous area of resistance. Wow. I wonder if that's a glitch, but price has pushed up into a previous area of resistance. And overnight, I expect price to consolidate in a range, possibly trade up into these higher levels where I believe that this is where the bears will come in to attempt to push price lower. And I believe if the bears are successful, we're going to get a massive correction down using all these bull stops as fuel. But if bulls do maintain control of the market, we can definitely push up into these areas of resistance and possibly break that 18K level and trade higher. And with that said, let's jump into an ES chart. This is an ES chart, and this is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream. And just like the NQ, we had this bearish reaction to the GDP release, the bulls finding support and aggressively pushing price higher into the end of the session. Now, I'm recording this at 4:40 Central Time, and we get this big red candle down. I doubt that this is legitimate. It might be a glitch with Top Step X, but honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if this is how the market opens and this would be the reaction. Currently, price has traded into resistance. Tomorrow, we have PCE, and basically, PCE is the tool that the Fed loves using. It measures the amount spent by households on goods and services. But also, PCE is a component of GDP. And we've had a GDP report show that the economy is thriving. So I'm interested to see what the report states and how the market will react to that. But if the bears do regain control of the market, I do see a massive move down. A move so massive that it can possibly take out the low that was created earlier this week and possibly push down further. Now we have FOMC next week. So this is why this data release is very important. It's going to dictate the direction possibly until we hear from Jerome Powell next week. So I'm going to keep a close eye on how the market reacts and trade accordingly. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story. And if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So the day was a bittersweet day. I did pass one of my evals today, but unfortunately, I did lose 2 trading on tilt. This goes to show 5 days of trade and risk management can be wiped out of 1 day of trading on tilt and over leveraging. I did get caught on the wrong side of the market today. Originally, I was long, but because of the bearish momentum and the structure, I did flip short. I was looking for lower prices. According to my bias, I thought the market was looking for lower prices, but we didn't get that. And as the market continued to push up, I tried shorting it, even though I know during a bullish trend, a reversal is highly unlikely. So today is going to have to be used as a learning experience. Trading on the opposite side of momentum is usually a recipe for a blown account, and today's shown that to me. So tomorrow, I'm going to come back stronger, and we're going to continue to make more money. And with that said, that's all I have. And if you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq and ES intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join the live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community. And if you're tired of missing the best trade on the Nasdaq and ES intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.